Start recording. And present now. Entire screen. Share. Please let me know if you are able to see my screen.
Yes, it is loading.
Okay, thank you. Okay, I have opened the Word document. Is it visible?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Okay, so yesterday we have discussed about methods, the REST methods, which is get, post, patch, put, and delete. So this little more information about that I've added in the documentation, uh, where I have provided where get can have uh, a body. I mean, get request can have body, and get request that is post can have without body. So there are chances like a get request can have body and a post request cannot have body. So this is the information which I have provided, so please go through it, and also have given a little more information like what exactly get, post, methods or verbs I can say does. So please go through this documentation. Okay. Uh, as we have, okay, now, now my question here is, have you completed get, post, put, patch, and delete things, requests in the Postman? The ones who were yesterday, did you complete it?
Uh, Sorry, Ashish,
No, no,
what
no.
are you?
No, Ankit, it's not for you. Sorry, it's not for you.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, it's not for you. It's for the ones who were yesterday in the class. Okay. Q. Q. Oh, yeah, yes, Gautam. Yes.
Mm. Actually, we are getting the request through get method, and we are put or do some changes through post method, and in delete method we are deleting the
Hmm.
requests like that.
Hmm. Yeah, yeah. So, have you completed all the requests which are present in here? All.
Most of the actually I get stocked like a patch method. The response is not getting according to requires.
Huh. Is that?
It getting yes. So that's at that point actually put is working fine. Post is
Huh.
matlab, like from beginning to put all
Huh.
methods are working fine, but from patch to patch this is not working.
Is it so?
Yes.
Okay. Let me try. Is that for everyone? I mean,
Actually,
everyone
it
are
is happens
facing.
with me. I don't know
Yeah.
others are
Sorry.
facing
Sorry.
this or not.
Yeah. I'm just. Yeah. Is it with everyone? Okay. No worries. Let me. Okay, before if you have tried, if you have tried all the get, I mean, if you just tried, I mean, it might be an error, it might be anything. If you have just tried at your end, then what I request you to do is please open Postman on your systems, and the ones who have joined today, please go to google.com and download Postman on your systems, and register, sign in, login, anything with your Gmail account. So you should see your name and your email address at the top. When you click on this icon, this robot icon, yeah, robot icon. When you click on this, you need to see your name and your email address here. That is the only thing. That is the only thing you need to do. The ones who have joined today, I mean, please download and install Postman and register with Gmail address. Okay. Okay, the ones who have tried the get, post, put, patch, the methods on your Postman or yet to be done, what I request you to do is, have you all opened Postman on your system?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now,
Yes, Ashish, yes.
yeah, go to these three dots and click on Add Folder. click on
Okay.
add folder. Okay. Now, once you have clicked on add folder, what I request you all to do is just name this as the methods. Just name it as methods like get, post, put, patch, and delete. Those folders should be created on your what is it, Postman, on your Postman collection. So I have get in the same way. Okay, I'll only go with one, but I request you to all create all methods, all five methods.
Hello, Ashish.
Um.
Ashish,
Huh.
actually, I was downloading the Postman. So after that, Postman, which method we have to test?
You were downloading the Postman?
Yeah, actually, I was not in the yesterday session. That's
Yeah,
why.
yeah, that is completely fine. Uh, I mean, I didn't get you. You were downloading the Postman, and sorry, what
Yeah,
happened?
I was doing, but can you actually? I want to ask that is this session means which code we have to test? Is the code anyone can please tell me?
See, once you have downloaded the session, what I request you to do is there's a third. I mean, I'll provide you the my YouTube channel where I have a video uploaded. Okay,
Hmm.
where it from the beginning. I mean, the creation of workspace, creation of collection, and adding a request. Everything is explained over there in the third and fourth videos. Yeah, third and I think third video. Yeah, third video.
Okay.
So please look into that. Now, what I request you to do is, I mean. Um, yeah, just download the and install Postman and register with your Gmail account. That is all
Yeah,
you need
sure.
to do. Okay.
I will do. Okay. Thank you,
That is
Ashish.
all. You're welcome. Yeah,
Actually,
Renu.
Ashish,
Hmm.
yeah. So when I'm going to click on the third dot,
Hmm.
that is showing view more actions. So while clicking on that, Ashish,
Hmm.
I can't open anything. It said open trash like that.
Open trash is it's at the very bottom actually. Open
Huh?
trash option is very at the very bottom. You'll see
No,
open
Reno,
trash.
Reno,
Hmm.
there are two, three buttons. There's up and down. Go to one beside test.
Okay. So let
You
me
know,
show it again, please.
there is a
How?
star.
Yeah.
There is a star
Hmm.
in front of it. That one.
Yes, yes. Right to the collection. Right to the collection. The collection name. You will have three
Okay.
dots.
Yes, yes. There is a star, and
Huh.
Yes.
above the star.
No, not
No, it's
above the star.
beside.
Right to star. Right.
Okay. Okay. Right to star.
Huh. There you will
Okay.
have an option. Once you click on
Yes,
it.
yes, yes. I got it. Yes.
Okay.
So
Got it.
add folder.
Yeah. Yes. And
Yeah, and
name.
what should we name it?
Name is.
Just name. I mean, the naming should be all the requests. Sorry, all the methods which you have. Like get. One
Okay.
folder name should be get. One folder name
Okay.
should be post. One folder name
Okay.
should be patch. One should be put,
Okay.
and one should be delete.
Okay.
So means we have to make so many folders. Yes, like
Yes,
Four
yes, yes.
folders.
Five.
Okay.
Get, post,
Okay.
put, patch, delete. Five.
okay,
Okay.
okay. Thank
Yep. Once that is done, okay. Have you created get folder? Get folder is created.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
It's
What
done.
I request you to do is
Hmm.
drag this. I mean, click on the get request, drag it, and just slowly drop in that folder. The folder will be highlighted when you're dragging the request. Now, the folder will be highlighted in this way. Orange color. Yeah, it's on orange color. Just drag it over there and place it. So all the get requests should be in that folder. Same goes with the patch, put, post, and delete.
Okay.
I
Okay.
think,
Understood.
yeah, I think all get is in. Oh, there's some more gets. Okay, let me try there. Drag this
you.
too.
Sorry, Ashish, can you repeat please what to do? To get we have
Okay.
the
Let me drag this out. Okay. Oh, it's not dragging it. Let me drag it here. Okay. Now, Nadia, you have created a folder, right? A get folder.
yes,
Just
yeah.
select one of the get request. Okay, which is outside the folder. Select that request and slowly. I mean, using your left mouse button, slowly. I mean, catch it and then drag it into that folder. I mean, if you use the left mouse button and just pull it to the get folder, it will be highlighted. or else you can also, I think you can also move, you can, no,
But
there's
but
no,
the
no,
folder
no,
is
no, no,
empty.
get request, the request which you have created, those should be pulled into that folder. uh,
In the new
Sorry, who's that? Sorry. Mm, hello.
Actually, Assis, I am getting some noise from background. Someone
Yeah,
Yeah,
is.
me too,
me too.
it's
Yeah,
not from my end actually.
I
me
don't know
too.
So
I
from
You
have
you
where.
can,
can meet. Do one thing, mute all, please.
yeah,
Okay.
I think
Now still it is coming.
still it is coming.
Little lower, but it is coming.
Let me
No,
mute
now it is
myself.
over. Now it is
uh,
over.
okay, thank you. Okay, Nadia, look at the, see, when you select this post request, right? uh, I'm just, let me create another folder, add folder, and name this as post. Okay, so this is my new folder, a post folder. Okay, and there is nothing in this folder. Now what I want to do is I want to put all my post requests, the requests which are outside that folder, all the post requests I want to put in that particular folder. I want to specify them in that particular folder. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to select this request, the post request, and I'm going to drag it and drop it in that folder.
okay, but I think for me it's empty. That's why I don't have nothing.
Ah, okay,
Let's see. I think that's why.
right, right, because there is no option to move.
Yeah, yeah.
Uh,
It was only one I put it there. Yes.
okay,
Yeah,
you
I
only
know.
have one get request.
Yes.
Put that get request into that particular folder. Drag and drop it into that folder.
Okay. Thank you. So I will create more.
Ashish,
Yeah,
like if I drag and drop,
huh.
I can't do it because after that it is not goes inside directly.
It doesn't go inside directly.
Yeah.
Uh,
So yeah, I'm
uh,
trying to do it. So
No, 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 no,
if you
not like.
want
Sorry
to,
for the interruptions.
mm,
Actually, it is
yeah.
working. You have to do like just click on like one
one
in
request.
assist. Yes, like a recipe. Get is in one request like recipes. You have to select first, then just
Then
drag and drop over the get folder,
Okay, so
like assist says.
after creating folder, there is written. So the folder is empty. Add a request to start
huh,
working. So
right.
I'm just drag the like I have a get login, right? So I
Huh,
just drag it and try to drop it in the
huh,
get. Okay,
huh,
so but it
huh.
is not going there.
Okay.
It's
Please.
like one request has been removed. Is the message should come like that.
Uh, okay. Look at my screen once again. When I'm drag and dropping it, it should highlight in this orange color. Is it highlighting?
No,
It's not highlighting.
yeah.
Can someone share your screen? It's okay. If someone can share
I'll
this.
share.
Yeah,
I'll
yeah,
share
yeah.
then.
I
Mhm.
think, yeah. Then I'll get to know what is
Okay.
happening.
Yeah.
Stop sharing. Let me stop the sharing. Ha.
Yeah.
Please share the screen. I think it's the same issue with
Actually,
Nadia as
actually,
well.
Ashish, I yes, I wanted to share you. Like, I have a development site, one of the
Huh.
site that is
Huh.
on the development.
Mm,
So I have access, like I have credential for that development. Okay, so I
okay.
want if you like to work on that, so we can take it the use.
Sure, sure, definitely.
Okay, yeah,
Yeah, yeah, sure. Thank you, Nadia. Okay. Yes, please go to Postman.
okay.
Yeah. Hmm.
So see,
Okay.
I made this folder
Huh, huh,
get
huh, huh,
and I did login, right?
huh,
First I did
huh,
login. Oh,
huh.
sorry,
Select
I
that,
did
please.
register first.
Huh.
Yeah. See?
And no, no, no. No, 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 no. You're dropping it in the collection. Um, Drop it on the folder. Drag it. Okay, drag it. Select it and drag. Uh, Wait. No, 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 no. Okay,
Mhm.
I'll let you know when to stop it. Okay, drag
Mm,
it
mm.
slowly. Slow. No, it is. Now drop it. No, no. Okay,
Sorry for the interruptions. Actually, Renu, you have to drop
Mhm.
on the
drop it on
get
the
folder, not
get.
not outside
Uh,
the get folder, on the get folder.
yeah,
No,
again,
no, not
nah.
here, not here.
Nah. Scroll
Only,
down
only.
on the get where it is highlighting get. Drop it. Now drop it. Uh, No, no. Yeah, please do it once again. Uh, yes. No, no. Yo. Okay. Now little down. Drop it. Yes.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
No worries.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Nadia, please do
Okay.
the same at your end as well. Please do the same at your end
Uh,
as well. And
yes,
anyone. Sorry.
I did. Yes, I did. Thank you.
Amazing. Renu, again you're doing it wrong. Drop it in on the get.
Little down,
Little
little
down.
down.
Where it highlights the get
Yes. Yes.
folder. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Renu,
So
actually, you have to drop on the get folder
get
only.
on
Get
the get
folder.
folder.
Yes, I
Drop
do
it.
Get
the
folder.
same.
Yes, yes. Arey, yaar, you are
No,
going
no, no.
little
It's
bit
okay.
off.
It's okay. She'll get to know.
Mm,
It's okay.
Okay,
It's
okay,
okay.
okay.
Okay. Now please. Yeah. Let me share my screen. Uh,
mm,
okay. And I hope everyone understood. I mean, everyone, if they are having trouble, please
mm,
drop it on the get folder itself, or where it says get.
mm,
Okay.
mm. Or
Um.
any option we can
Nah,
share or something like.
we don't have that. That
Okay.
is a problem. We
Okay.
don't
Okay.
have that option.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
It's just you need to drag it and drop it where it highlights. Get highlights as orange color when the get.
Mm.
Nah, again you're going up. Scroll down, down,
Little down.
little down.
The option will get na, you can see get highlighted, so you
Huh,
can, okay, put it there.
huh.
It's a shortcut like that. Because I
Down.
also tried. That's little down where the get option you will get. Yeah, here.
Yeah. Okay. I will do so.
Yeah,
Yeah.
thank you. Okay, let me share my screen. And it's the same. Please stop sharing. Yeah. Okay. Entire screen. Okay. So I want you all to place your requests in the same folders like for get, put, post, patch, and delete. Uh, all those requests should be in their respective folders. Okay. So yeah, you can. And now coming to Gautam's query. Okay, put right. I think we did that yesterday.
No, no,
Is this
not
the
put.
put?
I think after delete. What is
After
post? Like after delete, post, register successful. Yeah, register unsuccessful. Like these two options, which I was done.
Okay. Um,
After delete,
After
post
delete
method.
post, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
post method.
I'm trying to
Can
click
you
on that.
do check?
Yeah, sure. Actually, I think this is a register one. So let me right click on this and copy this. And sorry, what do did I close it? Oh my, did I close it?
Yes, yes. You close the main window.
Oh my god. Request. Okay. Mm, okay. So yeah, I think I have the link with me. Now it is a post. So what I'm going to do here is, as I have post folder, I'll not put it outside. Yeah, Nadia.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, please, can you just share with me the link of this site because I always forget, and we
Okay.
have always to come back to this site to take
Okay.
the, or we
No
can go
worries.
from anywhere.
No worries. Let me share it with you.
Ashish, actually, I have a solution also. Every time we don't have to, we just like copy on
Thank
the, just click on it, right click on the URL, and we can copy the URL.
Yeah. Yeah, that
So
is
that
also
will be
one of
easy
the
for you.
option.
Yes, yes.
Ah,
That will be
Or
easy for all.
Ashish, I'm
ah,
just sharing my screen for a minute. You just see. I need to clear one thing.
sure.
Uh, Ashish, sorry. Can I ask the link which you shared? What is this? Can you please tell me?
It's a dummy. It's a dummy website where you can test all the requests, all the methods on Postman.
Okay, sure. Thank you for that.
No problem. Yeah, Renu.
Yes. So, Arvind, are you able to, sorry,
Yes, yes,
Ashish, are you
yeah,
able
yeah,
to, yes.
yes, yes,
So,
yes.
Arvind, now, sorry, can you see the get
Get,
now? Is all of them inside?
no, no, not yet, not yet.
Hmm?
Still outside, still outside.
Okay.
Stop, stop, stop. Yo,
Reno, all this
No.
green, the green, that yes, this is in green. Also, they must go inside the folder.
uh,
Yes,
just,
I'm trying to do it very nice and
wait,
like
wait, wait, wait.
very nice.
Leave it, leave it,
Uh,
leave. Now you got it. Now you got it.
Yeah,
Renu,
understand.
one short trick there when you where you get the get option, na, there only you have to put. You always
Ha.
go little up.
Now she
Yeah,
got it. Now she got it.
yeah,
She's
Yeah.
doing
like that.
amazing. Okay, let
Yeah,
me share my screen. Okay, please
yeah.
play
Thank
along.
you.
It's fun.
Now it's done, right?
Yeah,
It's
yeah. Now
done
it's
now.
done. Ha.
Yeah.
Now you
Okay.
collapse that
Yes,
folder.
yes.
Collapse the folder. I mean, minimize that folder. Yeah. Now you see they are none
Yeah,
outside.
understand.
Everything is
Yeah, thank
inside.
you. Thank
No
you.
worries. No
Thank
worries.
you.
Okay.
Bye.
Let me share now. Share now. Okay. Okay. Now what I request. I hope everyone can see my screen, right?
Yeah, it's loading. Yeah, now visible.
Okay. Now I have a post request which I need to test. So what I'm going to do here is I'm not going to add it on the collection. I will not add it into the collection because I have a post folder. So I'll add a request under the folder where it says post. I'll hit three dots here and then add request. So it will be under the post. So all the post requests I want in, I mean, it's just like what they say, I'm organizing only for organizing things, nothing else. Apart from that, there's nothing. Okay, someone, okay, that's me. Okay. Hello, Tasvi. Now, okay, now what exactly we need in here? Yes, Nadia.
Yes, can you please repeat what did you do? What did you take from this site, from this request site?
S- Sorry,
So
sorry, sorry, I didn't get you. Sorry.
you took something from this site and put it on Postman. What was it? Because I was still opening the this,
Okay.
request.
Okay. What I did is I went to the site
Mhm.
and I selected this post register successful one. Post register
Yes,
successful one. I clicked on it,
I
which
don't
gave
have
me the link. This
I don't
link.
have it. I don't have it here. Listen, I
Uh,
don't have it.
no. Scroll down slowly.
Request.
Scroll down.
I am. Okay.
Then you will find it post register successful.
Okay.
Okay. Now once
And
you
then.
have it, once you click on it, then
Mhm.
there will be a link. I'm in types. I
Ah,
will
yeah, yeah.
then in here just copy it. Okay. And then paste. What I did is I pasted in as it is a post request, I pasted in post thing. Okay. I pasted it in post and selected the method as post and I've pasted the link as well. Is the link correct? I just want to check once again. No, I don't think so. The link is correct. No, the link is not correct. Okay.
So I.
Okay. And I'll save it. Now, what exactly a post request needs? What should be the main important thing in the post request? I mean, apart from headers, apart from selecting the method, apart from having the endpoint, what other important thing a post method should have?
Body.
Perfect. So let me go ahead and grab the body. Do we have a body? Yes, we do have a body. Let's take the body. Okay. And come back to Postman. And as it is a JSON format, because why exactly it is a JSON format? Because it has key value, type key value or type value. You can say anything. Key value, key value, the same key value. Okay, it's not key value, key and value. That is, it is a JSON format. So come to body section, select raw, always select raw, and JSON is auto selected. Just paste it in here. Okay. And save the thing. Now It's under the post. Now we have all the information, which is post. We have the endpoint. We have okay. Let me name this as what was the what was it actually? Register, right? Okay, let me name it as register user, right? Register user, and it's auto saved and it's updated. Okay, now I'm gonna click on send. We are getting 200, okay. And it does says request successful. The server has responded as required. When we highlight on this, so we just gonna see in here, is this what we were expecting? Yes, we were expecting the same response to be 200 and the ID and the token. So we did get what we were expecting. Gautam, could you please try from your end? Once the session is completed, please try it from your end, okay?
Yes, yes. Actually, I am doing little bit wrong. Like I don't give the body part. I am
Ah,
directly
amazing.
sending it. So
Okay.
that's why I. Yes, yes, yes.
No, no worries,
Thank
no
you.
worries.
Thank you so very much. Yeah.
No worries, no worries.
Yes, yes,
So,
yes.
yeah, you are right. You are absolutely right that at times, as I said, 1%, only 1%, at times
Mm-hmm.
post request doesn't need body. But 99%, whenever you're selecting post, then they should be body present. They should be. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Uh,
Actually,
hmm,
upper post methods are in the upper portion of the post method. Others are not
hmm.
like body there. So that is like create a.
Create does have
Yes,
body.
yes.
Does have
Uh,
body. See,
a body.
create has
Yes, yes,
body.
yes. Like
Hmm.
this is I am getting error because I
Ah,
don't give the body part. Yes.
no worries, no worries.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
No worries. Okay.
Hello.
So we were we ha. So please create folders, separate folders, and organize all the. I mean, what all requests that you have tried in here, all those, please drag and drop it in here, make it organizable, which will be, I mean, next when we are running a collection, we will be running a collection, we will be performing automation. I mean, not on this website, not on this demo website, but uh, it's just a baby steps, I can say. I mean, for future, when I ask you to create a folder and drag and drop the respective request in that particular folder, you should know that how you can create a folder and how to drag and drop in those. Okay, so now I have get request under get, post under post, and yeah, I am I'll be creating later the patch, put and delete folders. Please do it from your end as well. So let me close all tabs
Hello,
now.
Ashish.
Yeah,
Uh,
sorry. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Yeah.
Akash this side.
Uh-huh.
Okay, actually we created post request, right?
Mm.
But I did not get the one thing. Why server gives 200? Actually, post request should gives 201, right? Was the request created
Mhm.
success?
Okay, now coming to that question, uh, let's say a documentation says that a post request should give a response of 200,
Hmm.
then it gives 200. I mean, see, if I come in here, this post request, the document, the website says, sorry, where exactly it is, the register one, in here. Okay, uh, it says I need a response of 200, not 201.
Okay.
And we are not creating anything here. We are not creating, we are just
Okay.
registering, we are just registering to this particular website. That might be one of the reason that we they don't, I mean, a new record is not getting created, or it might be a requirement from the client itself saying, hey, I don't want a 201 here, I want 200 response only. So
Okay.
developer has done that. Okay, I'll give it as 200. So
Okay.
it's
So
not. Hmm.
okay, so it depends on how APIs are developed, right?
Correct. How not APIs are
Design.
developed. No, 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 not how APIs are developed. How the documentation has been given.
Okay. Okay.
Huh. Development is all development testing. Everything is based on this documentation only.
Mhm.
So if the document says that keep it as 200, they'll keep it as 200.
Okay. Okay.
So
Got it.
it's not binded. I mean, the request. Some of the requests are really binded to some of the uh, methods, but it's all everything is defined in the document. Everything. So that is, but if you see, let's say if you see this post request, okay, this post request should get a response of 201. So let me go here. Let me go. New user. Okay, this is the one which say this one should have um 201. Okay, so QA testing. Okay, now here it should get 201. Let me click on this. See, you have 201. A
Right.
new resource has been was created successfully. And also when you read out the messages now, uh, so you'll find that a new record is not created here. It's just the response which we got. That is the reason we are getting 200. Okay, I mean there's no new record created, but when you see here, a new resource has been created. Okay, someone. uh yes, Renu, yeah, did you raise your hand? uh,
She
okay.
wants to join, I think. Yes.
Okay. Oh, I think she. Yes, Nadia. Yes.
Yes, I just want to tell you after we uh, paste the link,
Uh-huh.
I go back, to post. Then we have to save it first, and then we save it.
Yes. See, let me come
The
to
steps.
this request again. Come to this website again. Let me do
Yeah.
one thing. See, it is for me. I find this easier. Like if I select this delete. Okay, I've selected this delete. Okay, and
Mm-hmm.
and what I did is, uh, I did a right click on this link. On this link,
Mm-hmm.
I did a right
Yeah.
click with the
Okay.
mouse, clicked on
Okay.
open link in new tab,
Uh-huh. Okay.
and went to the new tab, selected the link, copied it. I mean, selected the complete link, copied it, came here, pasted here. Okay, pasted in Postman by creating a new request, selected the method. What method actually it is? Um, if we come back to this website, what method this is? This is a delete method. So I
Mm-hmm.
selected delete method, pasted the link, pasted the endpoint URL. I mean anything endpoint. Pasted this endpoint in here, saved it, and then clicked on run, send run. Yeah. So once we see here the response in here, we have to compare this response with the site. Okay, it's 204. Okay, and we got 204 here, which is successful.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Okay,
Yes.
so now coming to next
Thank
part.
you so much.
No problem, no problem. Now coming to next part. See, in API, same we have life cycle for everything. We have software development life cycle, software testing life cycle, bug life cycle. Everything has a cycle. I mean, everything revolves around itself, I can say. In the same way, API also has a life cycle. I mean, how it should, I mean, from where it should start and where it should end and where it should be released to the customer, I can say. Customer, when they want to use our APIs. So API life cycle has 8 stages: planning, development, documentation. But documentation actually it should come at the top. But at times developers do document from their end. Once what I say, let's go with the question which Akash asked. Okay, he said, why it is 200 and not 201. Let's say uh, the client has given like it should be 200. Then the developer said no, it should be, as it is a post request, it should be 201. So if the customer agrees, if and only if the customer agrees, then the documentation will be updated here. Let me go ahead and say it as updated. Okay, it will be more easy to understand. Sorry, someone raised something. Yes, Gautam.
So, hello, sorry for the interruption. Actually,
Yes,
I
Pranam.
want to know, like HTTP status code, there are some standards like 400,
Hmm,
200,
hmm,
300,
hmm,
and 500.
hmm.
So, API follows these standards, or
Yes.
company, according to company mention, that is, that
No,
will be
they do
followed.
actually, they have to follow. they have to
Mm-hmm.
follow.
Mm-hmm.
Same, that is where developers come into picture. That is where the documents gets updated. uh,
Mm-hmm.
but at times, customers client might be saying like, no, no, let it be 200, let it be 21. It all depends upon how the document is released. But to be honest, they should follow. I mean, if you go into any company and test over there, then they will be following. Actually, they will be following it.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So most of the time, it will be follow
99%
the
they will be.
HTTP status code standard.
Yes,
Okay, okay,
99% they will be following it.
okay, okay,
99.99% I can say.
okay,
Okay.
okay.
This
Thank you.
this being just a demo website, that is the reason developer might have said, nah, I don't care which response, but it just should be 200. Let me put it 200. This is how this demo website has been created. But when you work in actual projects, they do give. I mean, they do follow the status codes, which I have provided yesterday. The link of
Yes, yes.
Mozilla. Yeah, so they do follow it.
Okay,
So
okay,
it,
okay. Thank you
yeah,
so very much.
no problem. That is all. I mean, as I'm saying from day one, documentation is a guide for us. Documentation says everything. So, and okay, now planning, development, documentation, deploy, then comes our testing part. Then, once the development is done, then comes our testing part, then secure, monitor, and discover. So, actually, see, we can also add it here. Let me do one thing. Let me say, copy in here and enter in here, add it document here, and also let me add it in here as well. Okay, add it. Huh. Sorry, someone raised an hand or yeah, yeah, Akash. Yes.
So Ashish, I have one question.
Huh.
You mentioned like about the documentation, right?
Huh.
So I have one question, right, regarding this documentation. So the Swagger documentation and this documentation are similar, or there will be some
Swagger
difference?
Swagger documentation is created after the design, after the development.
Okay.
Okay. But before Swagger, because see, let's say you are a customer, okay? You are a customer and you want to create a website where same like how can I say, Big Basket. Is everyone aware of Big Basket, or a website which sells fruits, vegetables, everything? Okay, so
Mhm.
you just want to grow a business. You just want to grow a business, but you're not aware of Swagger or any because you don't know all those things. You just want to run your business. So do you really think that you will be, I mean, we will be expecting the developer or the company will be expecting, okay, customer should know Swagger or the Swagger documentation? No. So, customer will say, see, this is what I want, and this is what you have to develop. So that is all he gives. Swagger, these all things, Swagger documentation, Postman documentation, these all documentation comes into picture when the company develops and designs it.
Okay.
Yeah, customer will only give a Word document or a set of files, a set of papers in a file. Nothing more than that. Nothing. He doesn't he doesn't actually he doesn't know about all this technical things or the jargon things. We decided we create Swagger documentation, Postman document. Swagger documentation is one of the thing. In Postman also you can have a documentation. If you come here, see, in here you can see. So Postman also creates a documentation. So Swagger is one of the documentation. In the same way, many have. I mean, SoapUI also can create a documentation. So it's not only Swagger which it does. These tools also create documentations. Okay.
Okay.
So yeah, so after test as well, we can suggest like the documentation should be updated. If that is agreed by the business analyst, and if that is agreed by the business analyst, then business analyst goes to the customer. Business analyst is like the bridge between you and the customer, developer and the customer. So he can say as an API for us. talk to the customer. Okay, so that is where documentation comes into picture. We can also suggest, and if it all goes good and if the customer agrees, then yes, documentation can be updated. But it happens very rare situation, very rare situation. It mostly the documentation gets updated here only at the design development phase only. Okay, so and then we secure it. Security is really important for APIs. And then we monitor is nothing but just checking if our APIs are running good after, when we give it to the customers or the third parties, if everything is working fine or not, if everything is going good or not. But that is all we check. Okay, discover, I think it's like, if we, I think we know something, or if we create, sorry, not create, if we want to add something, or if we want to modify something, I think that comes into discover. I'm pretty not sure. Like, I need to look into this. But till here, yes, till here, I am. Like, this is what the API lifecycle is all about. I'll look into this discover thing. But I hope, is it clear till here? Is it clear till here, everyone?
Yes.
Okay, great. So, and I hope Postman, you will be creating folders and you will be dragging uh, request into that respective folders, right? Yeah, please do it. Okay. And now coming to API testing. Okay, why exactly we need testing? We discussed it, like, the reason being, you know, if we don't test it and if we give it to the customers, then if the product is not running, if the product is not working, if the product is not up to the mark as per the customers or as per the client, then all the efforts put by the company, developers, business analysts, everything will go in vain. So testing is really important, very important. So that is all. I mean, in a simple words, testing is really important. So please read this statement. Okay, and okay, API testing tools, we have Swagger, we have Postman, we have SoapUI, RestSharp. JMeter is widely used in testing API's performance. API's performance is tested on JMeter, and Ready API is almost same as SOAP UI. So, but we will be working on Postman and JMeter, not Swagger, not SOAP UI, and not Ready API. We'll be only working on JMeter comes very at the end, at the very end, when we will be talking about performance testing on APIs, not now. So now it will all be Postman only, manual and automation both. Okay. Okay, now coming to API documentation, what exactly should be provided in the API documentation? What information should be provided in the API documentation? So, whenever, if someone asks, if you're in a company and someone asks you to test APIs, make sure you ask the documentation, which is a guide, and that guide should be provided with all this information. All this information should be provided in that documentation. So please make sure that this, uh, I mean, this is really important. This is really important when you go into any projects and asked for uh, testing. Uh, the reason why, I'll tell you why. Um, okay, I'll give you an example. Okay, uh, okay. Could someone say, okay, everyone knows carrot, right? Carrots. Everyone knows carrots, right? And you might have eaten carrot at some point of time in your life, right? Carrot, carrot. Yes, no.
Yes.
Okay. So now could you please let me know how many types of carrots are present in the world? I mean, how many types? I mean, what colors of carrots we find in the world?
Orange,
And
red,
uh,
and some organic thing is little pale color.
Purple and
Okay.
green also there.
Sorry.
Yes.
Which one?
Purple and green.
Purple and green. And
Yes, I
you,
have seen purple. Yes, I have
okay.
Yes.
seen purple. Yeah.
Purple, green, and pale, and red, and pink, right?
Yes.
Okay. Uh,
Orange color
can you
also.
fi- can you s- okay, everyone open Google and search if there is any other color carrot which is present in the world. Take 2 to 3 minutes and please search. I really want everyone to do this activity. Everyone. I'll tell you why. I'll tell you why. uh, but please perform this on your systems. Apart from yellow, green, pink, red, pale, something, yeah. Apart from these colors, any other color carrot? Any
Black
can
color.
Yes.
Sorry,
White
sorry.
also.
Black, black.
White, yellow.
White,
Yellow
yellow,
we got.
black color.
Black
Yes,
color, right? Okay.
Black, or we can
yes.
say dark red.
Yeah. Okay. Now I'll tell you why I asked you to do this. Okay. Um. Okay. And now, where exactly that black? Okay, I'll go with the black carrot. Where exactly it is found? I mean, in which countries it is found? I mean, name any one country. It is fine.
It's in Dutch country. It's they are
Dutch,
cultivating. Yes,
Netherlands,
carrots. Yeah.
Netherlands.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. And can I have the? I mean, can you search for nutrient values of? I mean, is it good for health to consume black carrots?
Yes, definitely. It has some antioxidant properties.
Sorry, who's that? Sorry, who said that?
It has some antioxidant properties.
Okay, great. Okay, now how did you do this? I mean, uh, you went to Google and you
Yes.
searched for something and
Yes.
then you got the answer, right?
Yeah.
Same way, same way. When you're in projects,
Okay.
I'm pretty sure you will come across this. When you're working projects, make Google, because some of the companies they don't allow you to use ChatGPT, Google Gemini, or what else? Google Gemini, and there's one more. Microsoft Copilot. These things are not allowed in some of the companies. The reason being, they think the data, when you put your project's data and try to search for something. Let's say if you're writing some test case, or if you're writing some code and you got an error somewhere. Okay, you want to check where exactly error and how exactly to fix it. So you copy the complete code in that Copilot or ChatGPT or some Google Gemini, and it gives you the answer. But company doesn't want your code to be posted on that AI sites, because they think the data might get into wrong hands, or something. I mean, security breach, and this might get into trouble. So you into trouble. So that is, my company was also saying not to use ChatGPT, Copilot, and Microsoft Copilot and Google Gemini. So that is the reason I have said that. Why exactly I asked you to search this? Because whenever something is given to you, whenever a documentation or anything which is given to you, make an habit to search yourself, to explore yourself, to find out answers yourself. Okay, Google, make Google as your best friend. Stack Overflow, there's a let me write it down here. One being Google. Okay, one being Stack Overflow. Okay, so why? Okay, I think I named it incorrectly. It key how okay, let me write it once again. Stack Overflow. Okay. Okay. Why exactly this is important? Because um, there might be times where you're working on something in your project, and you you keep on asking someone, you keep on checking with someone. Either it might be developer or a business analyst, or you'll not go to managers, business analysts or developers, so for same for the developers, it might be they might be asking to someone else. Okay, this is where they think that you don't know something, and you are keep on asking them. And this, at times, to be honest, it will definitely come across with you. Definitely you'll face this thing when you're working in companies. They might say like, you have, these things, but still you're asking. So they might go ahead and give negative feedback in your negative feedback, or they might complain to manager that, see, this person doesn't know something. So I'm not scaring you, but so, and it might affect many things. So rather than that, make sure you explore your things. Make sure you get answers for yourself. If you don't know something, search until you get an answer. So this is the best friend. The documentation and searching is the best friend for you. It should be your best friend when you're working in projects, because in projects you're really not sure how exactly and what exactly APIs you will be coming through, and what information they will be asking you to test, and how far they want you to test. So these all things come into picture. So we cannot go ahead and ask anyone, I mean, it might be developer or a BA, uh, for these answers. So I do in the same way. I research and search for everything, for answers. That is how we have to be. I mean, the less you approach, the more safer you are, and the more, and I'm pretty sure the better. I mean, what they say, what they say, incentive, not incentive, praise. Yeah, appraisal. These things will come into picture. So that is the reason I asked you to ask you people to search for. I mean, it was just a game, so that you will understand like how, why exactly this is really important. So yeah, so this is till here. Now coming to API tests. Okay, these are some of the API test examples. Okay, um, these are just an examples. Okay, these are just an examples of what I request you to do is this um, take one of the, I mean, take one of the test example. You can use, there's one more website, let me provide you that website as well. This is the one. uh, Let me copy this, and sorry, where exactly it is. Okay, paste in here. Use this website. Now let me go to this website, and uh, I hope everyone is able to see this dummyjson.com.
Yes.
Yes, yes,
Okay,
yes.
once you are in this website, click on docs. This docs where it is highlighting, click on it, and in here select any when you're in docs, select any let's say author. Don't go for authorization, because we are not yet into that. Go for products or cards or recipes or users or posts, anything. Open this. Okay, expand this, and you will have all the APIs in here. Select any one of the option. You will see this one. It highlighted on, sorry, selected on the displayed on the left hand side. Click on show output. Okay, click on show output. Then take this URL. Okay, take this URL. Let me take the URL, and I'll let me click outside, and let me copy this. And as it is a get, this is a get one. um as it says, get a single product. So I'll go in here and add request, and let's say dummy JSON get product. Okay, and then paste the URL. Okay, now one question. um is the URL correct which I have pasted here? You can open at your end and you can see. Let me post this link in the chat. Mm, chat. Okay. Now please let me know if the URL which I have pasted, is it correct?
Yes.
Code should be removed.
Yeah.
Correct. Correct. So please make sure when you're pasting URLs, only the URL is pasted. Not there should be no single space as well. If there is a, let's say I'm giving a two spaces, okay, and I've saved it. Now I click on send. In here it works, but in your projects, when you're working in your projects now, it doesn't work. uh, so this is the only thing. We will be coming across this. We will be definitely coming across this because I have examples for that too, where we will be, you know, giving a space. See, now the codes has, so that is the reason it didn't give a response. And I think someone raised hand.
Yes, 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 yes.
Yeah, yeah,
Hello.
yes, Gautam.
Actually, I was trying with like HT before HTTPS one
Uh,
single quote, and it is not getting any response. So that's why
yeah,
I.
yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
yes.
Please do not. I mean, if that URL, when you're copying something now, so make sure, please, only the URL. I can say endpoint. You can give any name, URL, endpoint, anything, but it should not have any quotes, no spaces. At times, if you give spaces as well, it doesn't work. It really doesn't work. So you will be, I mean, it's really hard for us to know, like, where exactly we are going wrong. We will be looking at the status code, or we will be looking at the body, or we will be looking at the authorization headers. But the first main thing that we need to look at is the method should be selected correctly. Now let me say, if I've selected post, okay, and I click on send. See, this is what we get. So always make sure the first thing, the method should be selected correctly, and the URL, the endpoint, should be pasted correctly. No spaces, no no special characters, no extra characters, extra numbers, nothing. It should be perfect. It should be the same as it is. Then once you click on set, then you can see in here the reason. When we will be talking about console now, when we'll be talking about console, that is where I'll be also letting you know, like, uh, how exactly we can also check where exactly we are going wrong. But as of now, please make sure that when you're pasting in URL now, it should not have spaces and special characters, and no extra stuff added to that URL. So what my request is, and yes, tomorrow we do not have class. Tomorrow we do not have class. We have class on Friday, where I will be discussing about monolithic and microservices. And we will be having microservices. We are testing on microservices, and the importance of microservices will be explained on Friday, okay. um so okay, what I request you all to do is go to this website. Let me go back to this website again. Okay, once you are in this website, forget about request response. If you have done all this request, okay, the one who has completed all these requests, okay, only the one who has completed all the requests, then forget this request response. If you have not completed, please work on it. Please work on it. Do not skip it. Yeah, yeah, I have shared in
One
chat.
thing, Ashish, can I
uh,
ask?
yeah, Ankit.
The dummy website which you have shared,
uh,
it is totally completed. We have to just pass the URL and in the Postman, and we can test. Na? That is
yes,
only.
yes, yes.
Okay,
you
okay.
you need to enter the body data as well, Ankit. If
Oh,
there is a
okay. That
body
that I
data,
will. Just
yeah.
want to ask because I
No,
was
no,
not in the previous session. No, that's
no,
why I
no, no.
asked.
You can play around. You can play around with that website.
Okay,
You
okay,
can play around.
okay.
Purva, I have pasted the. Thank you. Purva, I have pasted the link again. Once you have the dummy JSON link opened, go to Docs.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
And do not select authorization. Okay, I don't want authorization to be selected as of now because we haven't touched yet. Go to products, and go to carts, and
Mm-hmm.
go to every section and try working on those, and only work on get once, huh? Only work on get once. And you can also, there is one more
Sure.
thing. You're welcome. There's one more thing which you can check, not only from Postman, not only from Postman. Let's say I've copied. Okay, in when you selected the get, I've copied this complete whole part. Okay, I've completed the whole part, and I go to Dev Tools. Okay, we go to Dev Tools. Once we come to Dev Tools, go to Console. Go to Console and paste that completely over here. Paste that completely, the complete information over here, and hit enter. You should see, ooh, you should see when you click on show output, the same output should be displayed over here in this, in your console.
Okay.
Okay, it
Yeah,
should.
sure.
Can you, can
Mhm.
everyone do that now, please? I just want to see if you are able to do it or not. I mean, if you're getting any error, select any get request is fine. So just completely copy this. Completely copy this. You can select the same one if I which I have copied. I think let me paste this as well. We paste it. Okay, go to this website and select this get all recipes. Select this complete code. Is it selected?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Now,
it is selected.
okay. Now go to Dev Tools by right clicking and inspecting. Go to console, and if there is any stuff displayed over here, just click on this icon, this circle with dash icon, so that you can clear it, clear the console. Once the console is cleared, just paste that. Okay. Okay, I think someone has it out. Yes, Gautam.
Ashish, actually, I am getting some error.
Ha.
Like
Yeah, me too.
warning message. I
Okay.
am yes. Don't paste code into the
Hmm.
DevTools console
Hmm.
that you don't understand or haven't reviewed yourself.
Hmm.
That could allow attackers to steal your identity or take control of your computer. Please type allow pasting below
Ha.
and hit enter to allowing pasting.
Correct.
But when I am trying to pasting, it is showing the
Correct.
same error
No, no, no.
again and again.
Read the sentence once again for me. Read the sentence once again for me.
Warning on don't paste code into the DevTool console
Ha.
that you don't understand or haven't reviewed yourself.
Correct. Ha.
This could allow attackers to steal your identity
Ha.
or take control of your computer.
Okay. Ha.
Please type within single quote allow pasting is
Yes.
mentioned here and
Please,
below.
please wait. Okay. Now do one thing.
Okay.
Type
Mm.
allow pasting.
Okay.
Allow
Okay. Okay.
press
Yes. Yes.
space pasting and hit enter. Now try to paste the code.
Yeah,
Now I think
it's
it is
done.
allowing. Yes. Yes.
Allowed, right? Now hit enter. So we will be finding answers in our at times in error messages only. So that is the reason I asked you to repeat the error message once
Yes. Yes.
again.
It is now working fine.
Amazing, amazing. So is it for everyone now?
Thank you.
Everyone can. No worries. Huh.
Can you please repeat it again? So I just copy. I open just dummy json.com,
Ha
right?
ha ha.
And then in the between, so there are some codes like fetch, then dot, then.
Correct, correct.
So I
Select
this
the
one, the
complete
first
code.
one.
No, select
Yeah,
the
Yes.
same
complete
for
code.
me. Same for me it is.
Okay.
Same for you,
I
Sai.
control C.
Actually, when I copy the code of the dummy JSON and I
Uh-huh.
paste it in the and I input go on inspect and I
Uh,
open the console and I
uh,
paste it, so
uh,
it is same as what Reno is saying.
uh. Yeah, okay, okay. You are also having that warning message on your console.
Let me speak.
Yes,
It
yes.
is showing an uncaught in promise error. A listener indicated asynchronous and an asynchronous response by returning true, but the message channel closed before a response was received. Now it is showing some like the fetch, then like that.
Can someone share the screen?
Can I share?
Yes,
Yeah, yeah,
yeah.
yeah. Anyone can. Fine.
Just a second. Renu, you are sharing?
Yes, I would like to show him. So,
Yeah.
but
Okay.
if you like,
Then I can share.
okay,
First you
okay,
can, then I
okay.
can share.
S- Is someone sharing?
Yes,
Renu is
I'm
sharing.
sharing.
Okay,
Renu is
okay,
Yes.
okay, okay,
Mm.
okay, okay, okay. Ha. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay.
So this one, see?
Which one? Sorry, I can't see. Ha.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Yeah. Can you please? Okay. Did you copy the code?
Yeah, I did see.
No, 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 no. No, no,
Hmm?
I've pasted one link in the chat. Open that link, please. In the chat, in the Google Meet chat.
Okay.
Ha.
So this one,
Ha. That one. Hmm. Okay. In here, that three lines. Copy it. Hmm. Now go to network tools. Dev tools. Sorry, not web. Network dev tools. Yeah. Okay. Go to console, please. Ha. Now try to paste it, please. Okay. Now, could you please read out, close this Google Meet screen and read out the error message? Huh.
don't paste code into the DevTools
Hmm.
console that
Hmm.
you don't understand
Hmm.
or have not reviewed yourself.
Hmm.
Is this could allow
Hmm.
attackers to steal your
Hmm.
identity or
Hmm.
take control of your computer?
Hmm.
So please type allow pasting
Hmm.
below and
Hmm.
it hit to allow pasting.
Yeah. So please type in allow space pasting.
Allow.
Allow space pasting. Then hit enter. Hmm. Now try
Mm.
to paste that code. Yeah. Now hit enter. Now it works.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is how, I mean, the answer was in the warning message itself. So
Mm.
I mean, this is how we do it.
O-
So what I request is all the get. I mean, uh, I'm not asking for all the gets, but try how many get requests you can post, and then you can on the Postman. Network tools is really, really not required. Network tools, it's just like if you want to compare and if you want to check if it is working on both ends. That is the only thing we have seen here, but we will not be working on dev tools or network tools, but it is just to show you like we can also get the information from the dev tools as well. But the thing we need to work on is Postman. On Postman, do not copy the complete code. Just copy the link. Just copy the link, paste it, and hit save, and then click on run. Run or something. Yeah, save. I think. Sorry, what did it say? Send. Send. Click on send, and then it should give us the proper result. I mean, if you go in here. Oh, sorry, I'm not sharing, right? Uh, the screen share. So if you let me go to the website. Okay, if you go in here, let me close this dev tools because we. Okay, now highlight. Okay, here you will find show output. Under every get request, you will find show output. Click on show output. See the output. Okay, see the output. What output it gives. Okay, and when you run the same on Postman, it should give same successful message and all the response which we are expecting, which should be the same as this one. So you can go to products, you can go to cards, and you can go to recipes, you can go to users, all every section apart from authorization. I think dynamic image is also, I don't want dynamic that generates square image. No, no, I don't want that to happen. That should be tried. Not even intro. Leave these top three: intro, dynamic image, and authorization. Authorization, we are not yet there, so leave that. Select products, cards, recipes, users, posts, comments, to dos, quotes, mock as well. Leave it. Leave mock. Do not do mock thing, because mock is very far. Okay. So only these things. Get take the all the get requests, copy only the link, copy only the link, and make sure when we are copying this single quotes should not be pasted over here. It should not be having single quotes, or else then you will not have a proper response. And send it, save it, then send it, and make sure all the get requests should be under the get folder. How you need not to paste it out, you just need to select the get folder, click on the three dots and add request, so it will be directly inserted in the get request, get folder, not request, get folder. You will have the get request over there only. And if you want to try all of them, all the get requests in all the sections, then I'm really happy. You can try it, but I think there are a lot, so try as many as you can. So that is all for today. And okay, someone has a question. Yes, Akash.
So Ashish, I have one question. So
Mm-hmm.
whatever code you showed now,
Mm-hmm.
is it curl request or it is something else?
CRUD request. It's a CRUD request.
Oh, okay, okay,
Yeah,
okay. Thank
I
you.
mean, create, update, read, and delete. Create is post, read is get, update is put or patch, delete is delete is delete.
No, I'm talking about this code which you
Which code?
showed. Yeah, can you go to this
The
website?
this one, this
Yeah,
one.
yeah, this one.
No,
Yes,
no, no.
yes.
This is JavaScript.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
This is
I'm talking about
JavaScript.
this.
No, no, no.
Oh,
This is not CRUD. This is JavaScript.
okay. I thought this is curl.
No, 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 no. This is JavaScript.
Oh, okay, okay.
This
Thank you.
when you see this arrow icon, na,
Mhm.
equals to with arrow, this is an arrow function. This is called as
Okay,
an arrow function, which is recently developed by the JavaScript people.
okay.
Recently developed.
Mhm.
So
And
this is
one more thing, Ashish.
yeah.
So as Akash told, this is a curl. So I
Mm,
think so. The curl is only the JSON body. So we usually write the JSON body in curls. Is it or what?
no, curl is different. Curl, or did you say CRUD?
Uh,
See.
because Ashish, sometimes developer provides us directly curl and this,
Curl.
yeah, they ask us to import in Postman and use.
Curl.
I think so. He's talking about Swagger. So they provide curl body. I think so.
I mean,
Or we
see,
call JSON to a curl
yeah,
body.
see, that is what I mean. Curl, I'm not sure about curl. I'll get back to you regarding this, because I know curd options, which is create, update,
The
read, and
third
delete.
is different. I'm talking about curl.
Curl, let me
CURL.
CURL, right? Let me
Yes,
look
yes,
into it.
yeah,
Let me look
yes.
into it, and I'll definitely come back with an answer on that on Friday.
Okay, okay,
Okay,
okay.
on Friday, definitely. Because I'm pretty sure you're talking about the documentation only. But still, I'll see like if there is a jargon for that, because we never came across that. But definitely I'll look into that. So that is all for today. And okay, yeah, one last thing I need to do is okay, if someone wants to get added to the uh, what's API testing group, please ping me on this number with your first and last name. And also, I'll be providing you the documentation, and the videos will be on the YouTube channel. I'll provide you that too, my YouTube channel as well, where I will be having all the videos added. Okay, so you have an holiday tomorrow. So yeah, take your time and yeah, practice. I say practice. If at least 15 to 20 minutes, then yeah, and I know some are doing other trainings as well, so give your time to other trainings, okay. And all the very best. So have a lovely evening, if there are no other questions.
Yes. Yes. Thank you, Ashish, for
Thank
this
you,
Thank
thank
you
you
so
lecture.
much,
everyone.
Ashish, for this
Thank
wonderful
Thank
you.
session. Thank you
Yes.
so much.
Thank you
Yes.
everyone.
Thank you.
Yeah.